Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing your data, backup personal files, and a full system image because deletion is permanent. Once done, create a recovery USB for each OS so you can restore if needed. Next, verify the bootloader grub versus Windows Boot Manager, and note which drive/partition each OS uses. You need that map to avoid deleting the active boot partition. Finally, boot into the OS you will keep to begin partition changes. You now remove the unwanted OS partition. Boot the kept system and use Disk Management, Windows, or G-parted Linux Live USB to delete the target partition and mark space as free. Once deleted, restore the remaining system's bootloader. For Windows, run bootrec/fixember and bootrec/fixboot. For Linux, run sudo update grub or reinstall grub. Make sure to update boot entries so the removed OS no longer appears. This prevents boot errors and streamlines startup. You finish by reclaiming the freed space. Either extend your existing partition with Disk Management or G-parted, or create a new volume and format it. Once done, reboot multiple times to confirm the system boots cleanly and the removed OS is gone from the menu. If you encounter boot failures, boot a live USB, mount the system drive, and reinstall or repair the bootloader. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues and gets you back to a stable dual boot-free system.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.